Okay, let's say that you want to know everything that your competitors have done recently. Sounds hard, right? Well, it's never been easier. Here on your dashboard on Panoramata, you can follow all the companies you'd like to track. Your dashboard is here to give you a sense of everything that they've been doing recently. Here, you have summaries of the most recent updates, promotions, launches, big marketing campaigns that they had. If you scroll down a bit, then you're going to see right away which company has sent the most emails, which kind of emails, published the most ads, which kind of ads, and the most important campaigns that they've been promoting as well. If you're specifically interested in the emails, you can click here and you're going to see all the recent emails these companies have sent. If you're interested in the ads, pretty much the same thing, but there, and you'll see every single recent ads that we've detected on your competitors. For the ads, we're going to be tracking Meta, so Facebook and Instagram, but also TikTok, Pinterest, Google Display, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Each tab is going to give you access to different data points, but the cool thing on the dashboard is when you see an example that you like, let's say that for instance, I want to save this email for later, instead of screenshotting it or trying to forward it to one of my colleagues who is going to forget about it later, what you can do on the platform is just save it on one of your lists, and you can create as many lists as you want. Once you do save them, it just builds up cool marketing swipe file, Pinterest marketing boards, where you can see all the emails, ads, landing pages, and SMSs that you've saved over time on Panoramata. One last thing. What if you'd like to track 100 companies? Let's say that you have 20 direct competitors, but 50 others adjacent, indirect competitors, companies that you'd like to track because you kind of like what they're doing, but they're not direct competitors as well. On the platform, you don't have to mix them all up and have all of them in your dashboard mixed all together. You can create groups that are called benchmarks on the platform, and you can turn each benchmark into a specific dashboard. So here I have the dashboard about the companies that I'm following, and you can switch. And here's a benchmark I have about celebrity brands, and I have a whole new dashboard specifically on these companies. So you can really organize your tracking the way you'd like.